Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301857, and this is a 2023 GMC Yukon XL Denali. And our color is white. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got. All right, so we have power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Take a look at those headrests. We've got our parking brake, camera, parking assist, auto start stop, traction control, hill descent control, advanced parking assist, lane keep assist, the HUD with HUD settings, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, trailer brake, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and stereo remote controls. We've got new button shifters. We are satellite radio ready. Electronic dual and rear climate control with heated and vented front seats. USB ports, a cell phone charger. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our rear seat controls, hatch release, garage door openers, and our sunroof controls. And our interior color is Alpine Umber. Let's move on to our rear passenger features. We've got power windows, locks, 2 bucket seats, with rear climate control, USB ports, heat, and HDMI ports for these beautiful giant monitors. And the seats do fold down and forward for access to that third row. 60/40 split bench seat. We've also included headphones. And our exterior includes retractable running boards, 20-inch GMC rims. We've got the rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch, all of our cargo space, seats do fold down to give you a lot more cargo space as well. And there you have it, guys. That is stock number 301857. You've just checked out this white 2023 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Thanks for watching.